So, my dear friends, hello, Electric Uncle, Hat Wale, again with you with a new project. You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So first we will open Google and find out BlueStacks. Just click it here. Now we are on this screen. We will find and select for Windows 10, because KineMaster will be installed in BlueStacks. BlueStacks helps to get it installed, the KineMaster on computer. On mobile it is easy. This app is made for mobile. Now here is this BlueStack app player latest version, and of August 2021. So we will install it. I have already installed in my computer, so mine will be updated. In your case, it will be fresh installed. So I think you might have, you may know about it. So see, now the BlueStack program has come. Just install it. The two icons will appear on your board. One is not so much of use. We will choose BlueStack 5 and install it. This is not of our use. This is for something else. So it is started, installing, and done. BlueStack is open. Now you see there is Play Store. In my case, the KineMaster is already there. You have to download from the Play Store. Just write down KineMaster for PC. And get it installed for PC. Windows 10. Mine is Windows 10. So now select that app from here, KineMaster. Open it. It will start installing. In my case, it is coming update. In your case, it will come installation. So I will update it. The latest version of KineMaster will come in my computer. See below, my name is there, R.S. Sharma, because I have it so. Actually before I was doing without purchasing it. So always this logo used to come, watermark of KineMaster. So now I paid for a year, just 1,299 rupees, 1 year. So without watermark, the professionals, they need it. With watermark, it is difficult to get it monetized, your videos. So better not to use watermark while using it as a professional. So now we can open it. It opens like it, same like in your mobile. See, I am premium user because I have paid it. In your case, here it will appear subscribe. So this is the latest, whatever new they used to give some time to time. If any latest extra feature they have added it. So now we are here. We will start working new project. We will select 16:9 ratio. Next, this is used for YouTube videos. So here are some of my projects. So what we will do, we will choose one special video, a small one, and how it comes here in my share folder of KineMaster. So first we will see it in computer. In your mobile, you can select it from the images, from here, from there, a lot. But here, how we will get this video, we want to edit. So I will delete it first and bring it again from my computer. So we will show you. Now we will come, we will search if anywhere it is. We will open this file manager. Here also maybe. And this file manager, it helps a lot to import the videos, to export the videos. So now I will find in gallery, recent pictures, videos, whether, see it is here. So I will delete it from here also. Then I will import from the Windows. It is on my Windows desktop. So these are the little things only you have to learn. How to use it on your computer. So now it has been appeared. Finish. Once we will close it. Again we will open it. Now there is no video. I will import the same video from my computer desktop. Select desktop and select your video which you want to import it. Here it is at the right. Select, open. So media manager will start importing it. Now it is there. Now it is in media manager. Now we have to bring it to KineMaster. So just click it. With right click, select and share it in KineMaster. So it will come in your share folder of the KineMaster. Now it is opening it direct. No need to select from my projects. It is here now. So we will start working on it. Now it is in my projects. I can use it anytime. We will rename it so that we should know that which video is for what. So we are editing it RS learning Om Bhur, because we will learn it from this video, how to edit it, how to trim it, how to give backgrounds, this and that. So again we are here, so let us start. Now here you may be looking at, this is the capturing. If you want to capture some shot of this video clip image, and this is to move it to beginning and to move it to end, the video as a whole. At the right side you find this media, audio, recording, layer. So when we select from media, it will come direct on our screen. This will be the main. And if you want to edit something, then we will go to the layers. So first let us see this main video, how we can trim it, how we can take out the parts which we don't need. So this is trim to left of playhead. this is the playhead. It will remain fixed. The video will move left or right. So you have to select video at that playhead from where you want to cut it. Now let us see. We are here. The playhead is here. Click the video only and scissors. Now trim to left of playhead. The left side will be trimmed. See? It's very easy. As soon as you will select the video, the trimming symbol will appear there. Now playhead is here. You want to cut it from the right side. So click the right of the playhead. So it is gone. So we will go back from this symbol. Whatever you have done, you can get it back. So now if you want to put some image, you see that these two plus points, here we cut the videos. We trim the playhead. So I choose one effect and put it there. See? So beautify your video. Now we are again at the same. We will trim split at letterhead, and here also you can give a transition effect. Now we want to remove this in between this portion. Make two trims at this letterhead. Now you want to remove right from the in between. Click this right. The between portion will be erased. And there are two methods. When you select this portion in between, you can go to the bucket at the left hand side and delete it. Now you see, this is the left. Okay, the middle portion we have trimmed. So this is the trimming practice. You can make it so. Now we can transition effect, we can put anything on this plus point. You see, it is here now. If you will download it, save it, it will remain there in your video. So when you change the scene, there sometimes we can give these transition effects. You see, so many effects are there. Sentiments, whatever you like, that effect you can put it. You see, as changing the scene, so you can do that. Now we will come back at our original video by clicking so many times. We will come back. We will gain what we cut. Now here is the volume. You can adjust the volume also. You can make auto volume. You can increase, you can decrease from there of the video what you are editing to control the volume. If it is low, you can increase it. If it is high, you can decrease it. Now this is the download. If you want to download the video, again we have come clip to add. These are the clip graphics. Now you will see, to give some effect, the stars are falling from the top. So these are the transition effects, clip effects. So it need just play with it. Choose by your own whatever you want to do. And nothing will happen. If by chance something wrong is there, just come back from this symbol. Now this is start recording. If you want to record something, you can record. Remove the sound from here and you can record your own sound, own music, whatever you want. So this is the trimming part. We have come back to again, our project will remain same where we left. So we can create. So just for today, you start practicing for this trimming only, and we will meet in the next part very soon.